Excelite Tribrid lenses is the lightest high-index material available. Provides all-day comfort, leaving no press on nose, no pressing the ears, which cause a headache. It's suitable for more than 400 short or long-sighted people. Our lenses are manufactured using unique hybrid material technology for enhanced thinness and 6 times more strength than standard 1.60 lenses. You can be confident in the strength of Excelite Tribrid lenses. We prove until we are confident that our thin and light lenses are strong, durable, and able to protect your eyes. Excelite Tribrid. Clear, light, strong, and thin.